Halo Science Tea, welcome to the 37 Talk. Where we discuss interesting topic about a healthy lifestyle and how to keep our bodies in top condition, especially for women. I'm Wafa, and today I will be joined by three amazing guests who will share their knowledge about the importance of good nutrition for women. Let's get started. We often hear that women need special attention when it comes to nutrition. Okay, to start this conversation, I want to ask Dr. Ega, as a nutritionist, why is nutrition so important for women, especially at various stages of life?
Thank you, Wafa. Indeed, good nutrition is very important for everyone. But for women, there are still additional factors to consider. For example, women experience significant hormonal changes throughout their life, from menstruation, breastfeeding, pregnancy, breastfeeding to menopause. All these phases require extra attention to nutrient intake, such as calcium, iron, folate, and vitamin D. During menstruation, many women experience iron deficiency due to blood loss. During pregnancy, calorie and nutrient needs increase. And during menopause, a decrease in estrogen can affect metabolism and bone density. Therefore, it's very important to meet the right nutritional needs to keep the body healthy and optimal.
Wow, very interesting, Dr. Ega. So we need to pay more attention to nutrient intake at every stage of life. Dewi, as a health coach, how can women ensure their diet remains with often busy routines? For example, for those who work, have a career, or are a homemaker. Dewi, as a health coach, how can women ensure their diet remains with often busy routines? For example, for those who work, have a career, or are a homemaker.
Very interesting, Wafa. As a health coach, I often meet many women who find it difficult to maintain a healthy diet due to busy schedules. The first thing I emphasize is the importance of meal planning. If we can plan the menu for the week, we find it easier to avoid less nutrition instances. And also recommend protein-rich food such as fish, lean meat, and legumes, as well as fiber from vegetable and fruit. This food help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day, which is very important for women who have multiple roles. Moreover, it's also important to always manage meal time. Don't delay eating for too long, as it can disrupt the body's metabolism. Try to eat small portion but frequently, like 5 to 6 times a day, to ensure the body gets the energy it needs.
Sure, planning really helps, especially if you can choose healthy and nutritious foods. Awalia, you are a career woman and also a homemaker. Can you tell us a bit about your balance your daily nutritional needs, especially with all your busy activities?
Sure, Wafa. For me, maintaining nutritional balance is a big challenge because as a mother and worker, time is always limited. But I try to prioritize practical good nutritional food. I often do meal prep on weekend, like cooking ingredients for the next few days, such as pre-cut vegetables, pre-cooked meat, or easy-to-carry salad. Additionally, I also take advantage for healthy snacks, such as low-fat yogurts, nut, or fresh fruit. Their healthy snacks are very important because they can prevent sudden hunger and keep me away from unhealthy eating habits. So, even with my busy schedule, I can still maintain a healthy diet and avoid fast food.
Very good, Awal. Meal prep indeed becomes a practical solution for busy women like you. So, Dr. Ega, are there any supplements recommended for women, especially those who might find it difficult to get all the nutrition only from daily foods?
Of course, Wafa, supplement can be a good option to complement nutrient deficiency, but it should be done with professional guidance such as doctor or nutritionist. Some supplements often recommended for women, especially those who are busy or have irregular eating patterns, include First, multivitamin. Supplement that contain vitamin and minerals needed by the body, especially those contain vitamin B12 and folate. Second, calcium and vitamin D. This is very important for women, especially in adulthood or menopause, to maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis. Third, iron, especially for women who are still menstruating or pregnant, as they are more prone to iron deficiency. 4. Omega-3 fatty acid to support heart health and reduce body inflammation. However, I still emphasize that supplements are not substitutes for main food. If we can get nutrition for natural food, that is still the best.
Exactly. Natural foods remain the main choice. Thank you very much, Dr. Ega, Dewi, and Awalia, to all the valuable information today. I'm sure many women out careful in maintaining their nutrition after listening to this podcast. Okay, before we close, are there any message from each guest to Science Tea?
For me, make sure to always pay attention to your diet because what we eat now will affect our health in the future. So, don't hesitate to consult with nutritionists if needed.
For me, remember, body health is the best investment we can make for ourselves. Don't be lazy to move and maintain a balanced diet.
From me, never feel that eating healthy is difficult because every small step toward a better lifestyle is a positive thing. Start with the smart change and stay consistent.
Thank you again, Dr. Ega, Dewi, and Awalia. And also thanks to our loyal listeners. Hopefully this podcast can provide the inspiration and motivation to maintaining a healthy and nutrition diet. So, see you in the next episode.